Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this one, I'm gonna teach you how to recover your Instagram without your email or number 2025 guide. Now, for example, you lost access to your Instagram account and you want to recover it and you have lost your email or number. I'm gonna teach you how to proceed on that one real fast. The first thing you want to do right now is log in to another Instagram account or just ask your friends and families for an Instagram access. Because what we need to do right now is we wanna know what's our username on the lost Instagram account. For example, let's just say this is your account, right? Now, this username for this one is Tony underscore 123 Stark. Remember that one because we're going to use that one moving forward. Now, once that's done, open up your browser right there. I'm going to go for Chrome browser. And in here, I'm going to type in Instagram, like so. So it'll be Instagram Help Center. Click on this one right there and open it up. So take note again for your username. And in here, just look for a designated application or feature to help you guys. So for this one, do not select anything, go straight to feedback. Alright? So once you're in feedback, click on neutral right there, like so, and click on next. And tell them here, paste your username right there. For example, as earlier, that will be Tony underscore 123 and Stark, right? This is my username. Something like that. Let me just fix this one. Alright. Please help me access it again. Now, this is plain and simple. What you can do right now is you can copy this, go back here, open up ChatGPT, or you can use any AIs out there and make it more specific. Make this more, let's just go for persuasive for my account to be back. Something like that. And paste it right here. Click on enter. And now ChatGPT will give you a new recommendation. And then just copy that one, copy this one that they give you, and go back in the help center and paste it and submit. Please do not forget on your username. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Goodbye for now.